Mailu.
I heard you was a hater, nigga. Why you gotta move like that? You gotta wait for your 10 in this shit. Don't tell me about who realer than who. I'm realer than a bitch. Trap house keep on jumping. I got my road niggas in this bitch. I told my niggas we gon' be high. Nigga ain't no need to straight. We gon' be straight. Pussy ass niggas don't need it around me. Nigga, why you gotta treat you like that? I don't fuck with these bitches. I feel like they bitchin' now. I ain't gotta treat you like that. I don't fuck with these bitches, no. I don't fuck with no pussy ass niggas. I don't fuck with no petty ass niggas. I don't need loud, that shit is so petty. I go crazy.
Mailu.
I go crazy with my brother, just like they going crazy with me. Oh, that's my blood, that's my brother. Mess with him, you mess with me. Yeah, oh, that's my brother. They don't win to the bone. We gon' slide when it's time for war.